Hello, guys, and welcome back to this chapter number 2 of the virtual class. As we were checking in the first presentation and also in the video, during virtualization, it was necessary at the end to have some physical servers. Physical servers mean racks to have the physical servers. It means cabling. It means electricity. It means air conditioning, security systems, etc. And at the end, this is very expensive. With the evolution of the virtualization, they found a new way for providing those services for the companies. And that new way, it was the cloud computing. So instead of having everything within a data center, they decided to start renting those servers to another company. In that case, I was able to have my applications, let's say from either a tablet connected directly to the cloud, for mobility, for cell phones, laptops, PCs, and other network equipment, printers, etc., etc. All of it within the cloud computing, renting that space. So as the information I have here, it says that it's having servers and services rented within a data center owned by a third party. You only pay for what you use, nothing else, nothing more. When we think in cloud computing, we need to identify three basic concepts, and you will see these concepts. For example, when you are renting a computer within a cyber coffee. So let's imagine that you arrive to the cyber coffee. This is of course a fake scenario, and you said to the owner, "I would like to rent just the computer. I don't need to have the operating system. I broke my operating system, so I only need the computer." If they were renting just the computer without any operating system, you will be renting just the infrastructure. So IaaS, it's the name for infrastructure as a service, where they are renting only the equipment with nothing else than the equipment. Then let's imagine that you arrived to the same cyber coffee and you said, "I would like to rent the equipment, but I would like to also have the operating system or the platform." In that second scenario is where you have this type of platform as a service where you are renting the equipment and also you are renting the platform that is installed within that equipment. Last but not least, you say, I'm interested on renting the equipment. I would like to rent also the operating system, but I would like to also rent the applications. I would like to rent also the software. In that case, the owner is going to say, okay, I will rent the computer, I will rent the infrastructure, I will rent the platform, which could be, for example, the operating system, and also I will rent the software. So in this third case, the service is named software as a service. And you can rent in other different ways, but those are the most traditional. There is of course additional information, and this is just a basic example, so you can understand some of the services that we have within cloud computing. Now, once we have cloud computing, of course, you need to have physical servers, you need to have data centers. It is not longer necessary. Applications like the ERPs that we have for SAP can be run using this type of environment. in such a way that you can have just all your applications within the cloud. You can also have a combination using your physical servers, all your physical equipment, but still renting a portion of the cloud for hosting your applications. And of course, as you can see in the drawing, you can find the applications that can run in any type of platform, in any type of device. Like for example, in this representation is you can access your applications using your phone, your computer, your laptop, your tablet, or any other device. And finally, last but not least, you can have a combination using services that you can have in the cloud, using the equipment that you have within your company, and of course, publish that information to any of the devices connected through internet. Now, to finish this second chapter, I will ask you for two additional two additional exercises. The number one is I want you to go to internet and start checking the cost difference between having a data center and paying in a public cloud. So you can find it as data center versus public cloud cost, and you will see a number of different articles. What I want you to do is number one, in your opinion, after you read the information, I would like I would like you to let me know what do you think it is better. Option A, to have a data center, and of course, you can provide your justification. Or option B, that it is better to have public cloud. You will see that there are some articles that speak about security, etc., and the access to information in the cloud, etc., etc. So let's forget for a moment about security and let's concentrate only in the cost. Okay, so that is going to be your first homework or assignment within this class to compare the cost of the data center versus the public cloud. Okay. Now the second assignment to complete your deliverables for today is I want you to go within internet once and again and review the services that SAP or the different services that SAP is offering in the cloud. You will see a number of different products for different needs, and the only objective of this is that you can identify what are the options and what are the costs. So the second deliverable is a simple list of any services that are being offered by SAP and any information that you can find for the cost of those services. This is going to give you a very good idea of how much does it cost for a company having those services within the cloud. Because in the next class, we are going to review the cost of buying the equipment, buying, of course, the software, and performing the analysis, the implementation, and the maintenance, having SAP within our company. Of course, at the end, we are going to analyze what are the options, what are the benefits, what are the pros and the cons, and of course, you will have the opportunity to have better information about this. So thank you very much for watching this chapter number 2. Appreciate your time. And if you have any questions, any comments, any concerns, or you find additional information that would like to share with the rest of the team, don't hesitate to send me an email and I will be very happy to answer any questions or distribute any material that you can find that of the interest of the rest of the class. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.